Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete account in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.doordash.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Doordash. So simply tap on the hamburger like icon in the left hand side of the corner and tap on the account section. So once you have tapped on it, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on manage accounts. Now once you have tapped on it, you can simply tap on delete accounts, and once you have done this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply type in the 6-digit code sent to your registered number. Once this is done, hit the submit button and follow the on-screen prompts to delete your Doordash account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.